Welcome to the Canvas 10. This gorgeous move-in ready home is available now in our Canvas Collection gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch and is just steps away from the beautiful community pool. Plus, this home has Enter Now instant home access for your chance to take a tour on your own schedule. Let's go check it out. The first thing you'll notice are these gorgeous wood plank tile floors that you'll find throughout the common areas of the home. And as we make our way past this spacious great room, you step into this beautiful kitchen that features bright white quartz countertops, dark Java cabinets, a beautiful dining space, a gorgeous subway tile backsplash. Plus, this home even features a den that you can use as a formal dining space or an office. Let's go upstairs. Upstairs, you'll find 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and the laundry room, plus the spacious master suite that allows you to step right into the master bathroom that features quartz countertops, a tiled-in tub, and a large step-in shower. And to top it off, this absolutely stunning walk-in closet. This wonderful Canvas 10 move-in ready home is available now in our Canvas Collection gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch. This home features window coverings, backyard landscaping, and so much more. And you're just steps away from this gorgeous community pool, perfect for catching some summer sun. Visit our Copper River Ranch sales office for more information. And the laundry room, plus